USA Dream Vehicles, the place where America's most iconic machines come back to life in bold new ways. And today, we're diving into a stunning blend of heritage and innovation with one of the most talked about trucks of the year, the 2026 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck. Yes, it's official. GMC has brought the past into the future, and the result is a truck that's turning heads everywhere it goes. From its timeless exterior design to its modern interior, from its raw power to cutting-edge safety tech, the 2026 Vintage Pickup is more than just a nostalgic nod. It's a full-blown revolution on wheels. Exterior design, retro charm, with a modern edge. Let's start with the looks. And trust me, this truck is a showstopper. The 2026 GMC Vintage Pickup brings classic American truck styling back to the streets. Inspired by GMC's legendary trucks of the 1960s and 70s, the body features bold lines, a square stance, and that unmistakable chrome-heavy grille. The round LED headlights pay homage to the old-school sealed beams, but are equipped with modern lighting tech for maximum visibility. Polished steel bumpers, retro-style badging, and white-letter tires complete the throwback look, while under the surface, the truck rides on a fully modern chassis. You've got a choice of two-tone paint jobs, wood-style bed inserts, and even optional steel wheels to really sell the vintage aesthetic. Interior design, classic meets cutting-edge. Slide into the cab, and you'll immediately feel like you've time-traveled, until you notice the tech. The interior of the 2026 GMC Vintage Pickup blends mid-century American design cues with today's creature comforts. Think bench seats with retro stitching, a metallic finish dashboard, and analog-style gauges, but all powered by digital technology underneath. A massive infotainment screen is cleverly integrated behind a faux analog radio faceplate. And yes, you've still got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a wireless charger, and a full suite of driver controls at your fingertips. It's the perfect mix of vintage charm and high-end usability. Premium materials like real wood trim, brushed aluminum, and soft leather make it feel upscale, while still capturing the blue-collar toughness these trucks are known for. Performance. Muscle under the hood. Now let's talk performance, because this retro truck isn't just for show. The 2026 GMC Vintage Pickup comes with multiple powertrain options, starting with a 3.0L Duramax turbo diesel for the purists, a 5.3L V8 for the muscle lovers, and yes, an available all-electric version for those looking to go green without sacrificing style. The gas and diesel variants come paired with a 10-speed automatic, while the EV version features dual-motor AWD, instant torque, and up to 400 miles of range. You'll also get GMC's latest off-road tech, including Drive Mode Select, hill descent control, and optional air suspension for modern-day versatility. This isn't just a weekend cruiser. It's a real-deal workhorse with classic vibes and modern muscle. Safety, smart tech. Behind the style, despite its retro styling, the 2026 Vintage Pickup doesn't skimp on safety. You'll find GMC's full Pro Safety Plus suite, including automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keeping, assist blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control plus. Available Super Cruise hands-free driving for highway use makes this the most advanced old-school truck on the road today. Overall, a masterclass in nostalgia and innovation. So, what's the bottom line? The 2026 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck is the perfect fusion of past and present. It honors American truck history with jaw-dropping design while delivering modern performance, comfort, and tech. Whether you're a die-hard classic truck fan or a modern driver looking for something unique, this truck checks every box. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's built for a new generation of dreamers. Let us know in the comments, would you daily drive the 2026 Vintage GMC? Or is this the weekend cruiser you've always wanted? Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another dream machine here on USA Dream Vehicles, where horsepower meets heritage. Want a killer clickbait title, short description, hashtags, and keywords for this one too?